Here at Samba, we got Foxy, FPV, and my brother doing some plane chasing. We got 6S Reverb, 6S Reverb, and Adam's never flown 6S, so he's gonna have a go, and he's gonna fly my controller, my drone, everything with my Hero on it, and all will be good. See how it goes.
And all will be good.
So he's never flown Flight 1, so it's running a Revolt OSD. Yeah.
Yeah, never flown 6S.
Excited?
Yeah, I'm pumped. I'm keen as.
Sweet as. Let's do this. You'll be right, dude.
It seems when I was leaving, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell, and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made.
Oh, hang on. Yeah, buddy. So what'd you think?
I really like that. I'm just going to have to fly on now, mate. Thanks very much for that.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's awesome.
I love
man.
helping
really
people
like
spend
it.
money.
Flight 1, I rate it, and 6S is so good.
Yeah?
So good, yeah.
What do you think, like, torque-wise, is it better than 4S?
Oh, way more torquey, way more catchy too. It's awesome.
And then what about the flight feeling of Flight 1?
A solid ad, like super locked. Super locked.
Super lock?
Yeah.
What do you think is more like KISS or more beta flight, or
It's a mix.
a mix?
Shit, mate, shit. All
This guy.
drones.
Who bought
Oh,
this guy?
shit.
Look at the shirt. Look after it.
So,
Thank you very much, mate.
That's all right.
That was good. I enjoyed that.
you can have a couple more flies and get used to it, maybe somewhere you know better.
Yeah.
Like if we go to Canterbury or St.
You have to
Paul's.
go to Canterbury or St. Paul's and get like more.
Canterbury, what's your favourite park?
How
in
can
it?
you be more
I'm not
comfortable?
getting
There's
it.
nothing to fucking run into.